Maybe you're getting ready to start job hunting for a role as a UI, UX, or product designer. Or maybe you've been searching for a while with no luck. We've written and done a lot of videos about how to learn UI, UX, how to build your portfolio, how to go after jobs without experience. But there's also something to be said about being in the right place at the right time. So when and where exactly is that? Hey everyone, I'm Elizabeth from DesignerUp, helping you level up your product design skills. As with most things in life, timing is important, and if you're looking for your next role as a UI, UX, or product designer, this video will give you some tips about when and when not to apply, and what to do in between to maximize your chances of landing a role. Winter, November through December. As the year comes to a close, so does recruiting season for most companies. By this time of year, most positions have already been filled. Hiring managers and human resources are often dealing with budget constraints during the last 2 months of the year and are awaiting new finance allocation and budgets for the new year. This is a great time of year for you to set and revisit your job goals. Make a plan of attack for the coming year, and don't forget to give yourself some rest and rejuvenation, especially during the holidays. And then start thinking about blocking off the time you'll need to submit job applications, take calls, and schedule interviews in the new year. Continuing winter, January through February. These are the months that most companies receive their updated budgets and sales forecasts. Executives have a better idea of what they need and whether they can afford to hire new team members. Early January starts slow as people are coming back after the holidays, but things ramp up mid to end of January and really take off in February when companies are actively interviewing and hiring. This is when you should be starting the job search, collecting data on the companies you want to work for, and doing your due diligence. Start applying for positions, making sure your resume and portfolio is in order, and scheduling interviews. Spring, March through April. During the spring, many hiring managers are taking some time off or planning their summer vacations, and executives are spending more time networking and fundraising. This is also the time that companies are planning the release of new products and services. It's still a good time to apply as there's often less competition, and hiring managers tend to make decisions about hiring more quickly. During this time, you can take advantage of a company's sense of urgency and the need to fill remaining positions. Keep tweaking your resume and portfolio if you haven't been getting callbacks, and take calls and interviews that do come through. Summer, May through August. During this time, company recruiting slows down as people start taking vacations and offices shift to summer and flex time schedules. This is the perfect time for you to get better at what you do and up your skills. Take a course like our Product Design Master Course at DesignerUp.co, network and go to conferences, or look for contract positions or seasonal opportunities. Fall, September through October. Companies are revving back up to fill any vacant positions before the holidays and use up any allocated budgets. This is another hiring wave that you can ride, and also a chance to update your online presence, get active on social media and blogging about relevant topics and content, and practicing your interviewing skills. You can download our free Get Hired checklist to add all of these to your calendar so that you're ready when the opportunities arise. Head over to DesignerUp.co, check the link in the description. So let me know in the comments what your experience has been job hunting. And if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. And if you need help gaining the skills and creating a portfolio to help you land those high-paying dream jobs, come on over and check out our Product Design Master Course at DesignerUp.co. You can stay tuned to more content like this by subscribing, and let us know what you think of this video with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.